What happens when you replace morning coffee with lemon water? For many of us, the day doesn't start until we've had our first cup of coffee. But what if you swapped it with something simpler, lemon water? Here's what happens when you make this change for 30 days. Coffee jolts your system, but lemon water supports it. A warm glass of water with lemon is more than just a detox trend. It hydrates, boosts digestion, and balances your body first thing in the morning. Day 1-2, gentle start. You start your morning with warm lemon water. It feels light, clean. Your digestion activates naturally. You feel a bit clearer, even if you miss the buzz from coffee. Day 3-5, digestive boost. Your stomach feels less bloated. The lemon stimulates digestive enzymes and bile production. You start experiencing smoother bowel movements. It's a silent cleanse. Week 1. Stable energy. Unlike coffee, which spikes and crashes your energy, lemon water gives you steadiness. You stay hydrated. Your brain feels sharper, and your mood levels out. It's subtle, but powerful. Week 2. Skin improvement. Vitamin C begins working its magic. You notice clearer skin, especially around the eyes. Less puffiness, more glow. Antioxidants help flush out toxins more efficiently. Week 3-4. Hydration wins. Most people wake up dehydrated. With lemon water, you're rehydrating first thing. This improves joint function, metabolism, and reduces sugar cravings. You feel fresher, lighter, and more energized every morning. 1 glass. 1 lemon. 1 habit. It might not replace coffee forever, but even a week-long swap could give your body the break it needs to reset and recharge.